Good morning, all. We are Group 13. Myself, Sreejith A. So, our project's title is Price to Foreteller of Pre-owned Cars. We predict the price of used cars based on their features, as it would help people to decide whether the used car is worth the price posted, as well as it would also help people when they are planning to sell their car. So, this is our website. The front end is built using HTML5 and CSS. We use Flask for the backend, and the website is deployed using Heroku. Here we use decision tree based regression method to predict the output. We ask our users to input features like model, manufactured year, mileage, transmission type, the which fuel is used, how much kilometers driven, engine cc, power, and other such features to predict the price, and it is displayed as output. So for a sample output, we can consider a Honda Amaze 2019 model from Kochi. Kochi. So the brand name is Honda. Year of purchase is 2019. 10,000 kilometers driven and a petrol engine. It's manual transmission. It's first owner with 16 km per liter mileage. It is 1200cc engine with 80 bhp power and a 5-seater. So we will be using this let's predict button, we will be redirected to the output screen after the predict button. So this is the price which the car can be bought, as well as the best price to sell this car. The machine learning technique, and by the way, the original price of the car is 8 lakhs and 50,000. So the car it is used for 2 years, so we can sell that car for 6.8 lakhs. So the machine learning technique used here will be further explained by Adwaith Thirumeni. So to Adwaith.
Hello everyone, my name is Adwaith Thirumeni, and as Regis mentioned, I will be briefly going through the machine learning model creation techniques. As you can see, we have done it in the Jupyter Notebook platform. For the beginners, we have imported all the libraries and the dataset we have collected from the Kaggle website, and we have also removed all the duplicate entries which we don't consider to make this machine learning model. And further exploring into the data set, we got a very good idea about what all data we are dealing with in our data set, and we have removed all the outliers that we have to. And then we for further processings, we have gone through, we have added some columns, and we have used various techniques for the visualization of different features in our data set. As you also in the website, we have different features like location, manufacturing year, and kilometers, fuel type, and also we have used these visualization techniques as you can see here. And for the processing part, we have done it as categorical data processing, which will be helpful in for the machine learning model. And as part of processing, we have done the encoding, and we have used label encoding technique for encoding our data set, because uh, in our literature survey we understood that label encoding will be much more appropriate use with the data set we have in our hands. So once the encoding is done, we then move on to the building of machine learning model. We have used light GBM technique, and this is the training part. You can see here we have used various parameters like learning rates and number of iterations and all those things. We came to this conclusion after various optimizations that the ultimate objective of training is to reduce the error rate. As you can see below that, we have minimized the error rates, and we go to a conclusion in the training process. And after training, the next part is testing phase. Here also it is very similar to training phase, but we have used k-fold cross validation technique to randomize the input so as the model will be much more tested here, and also using various parameters. The objective is here also is to reduce the error rate, and you can see below the testing phase that the error is very much minimized. And after the testing phase, we have pickled the module, and we have got the output file, and we pickle this module so as we can integrate it with the website. And talking about website, the front end and backends will be explained by my other two teammates. Handing over to Arjun.
So hi all, my name is Arjun, and I will be explaining the front end part of the website. So the main objective of having a website is to make this model available to all the people around the globe, so that anyone could access this machine learning model and try out different car prices and all. So what we have done here is that we have built a HTML form which accepts users input and predicts the price of the car. So the main aspect of this form is that it is using a post request, which is a HTTP post request. Here the thing is that the inputs from user is collected using these multiple containers. As we can see here, location is to accept choices of location that user can select from, and the other options are brand name, year of purchase, kilometers driven, etc. Finally, we have this submit button or let's predict button, which is used as a button to submit the whole set of inputs given by the user to the backend of the form, where this will be fed into the model. Now, CSS is used in this project to beautify the whole look and feel of the website, and we have used it on multiple containers, as we can see here. And this website, the cool part is that it is also mobile friendly. Now, further code related to the back end of the project will be explained by Ashwin.
Hello everyone, I am Aswin. I will be discussing about the Flask. We use Flask as the backend for our project. Here shows the code for the Flask. First we import the Flask module. Then it is followed by mainly three functions: home, back and predict. The name function is used for the initial printing. Back function is used as a go back button so as to predict again after successful prediction. And the predict function is used to accept all input from the post request, feed it to the machine learning model, predicts the price, which is then printed and redirected to the next page. This is all about the coding part of the Flask, our backend. And this is all the major process we have in methods we are doing in our project for building our price portal of pre-owned car. Thank you.